Hello everyone, my name is Caesar from Wirestream, and today I got a DW Spectrum server here. DW is one of the companies that we use for our security cameras when we're deploying. It's really one of the high-end security cameras, and we really like the software, mainly because you get the server on site. If you have multiple sites, you're able to interconnect all the sites together into one platform, but it's really easy to use. So from what I've seen, this is probably up there with I would say Access and OpenEye and all the other companies. But even then, I actually like this software better than the other companies. Second to this, I also use the Unified Protect cameras, which is getting really close to meeting something like the DW servers. Unfortunately, with Unified Protect, we still don't have the big support that we would want. Versus with a system like this, we have local support, we have local engineers that we work with in case we do have an issue with the server. The servers like this have a 5-year warranty, so it's always great to have that great warranty. So what I want to do, I want to open up the server for you guys, so that way you guys can have an idea what comes inside the box if you guys decide to buy one. Now, this server right here will be supporting about 20 cameras. On the back here, this is the 16 terabytes. And you're going to see is basically a computer that it was specifically made for DW. So let me go ahead and turn the box this way. I'm going to be installing this server today, so that's why I'm opening it right now so I can get it configured and installed. So the first thing that you're going to get right on the top, it's the keyboard. So we have the power, the mouse, and the keyboard. So that's all basically that you get inside the box. And this is generally how you would get a new computer. So it will be about the same. But I'm gonna turn this over, and I'm gonna move this out of the way. And here we're going to go ahead and expose the server. And here we are. There it is. So, I'm not sure exactly which company they use to make this computer right here. But it is a slim version that you can set it up in either way where you're mounting it. So you can set it up like this, or you can set it up like this. We have done it in both ways. We have deployed a lot of other servers. This chassis right here is something that they use to just to get their cover going. I know I've taken it off before. I'm not going to push it out, but this is just a fan on the front right here. We're going to have our USB cables and our power button right here. This just indicates that the computer is on. From here, we also have in the back, let me turn it on. In the back, we're going to see that it has two Ethernet ports right here. So that way you can have your cameras on one network and your internet on another network. It's usually a good practice to separate your network from your regular network to your security cameras network, because the cameras are at the edge and they're exposed. Also here in the back, we're going to see that it has one HDMI and one display port. Now this is kind of cool because the older computers only had a display port, and if you don't have a monitor that had a display port, you would have to find converters. Then we have our USB ports right here, and then our power supply. So that's basically all there is. Just to let you know, the computer here does have a sticker right here that it's covered right here for the warranty. And in case there is an issue, we just call them. We get an RMA ticket from them, and then we send it back. So what I'm going to do with this server now, I am going to configure it and just get it ready to get it deployed at the site where we're going to be at. Again, this is going to be handling about 25 DW Spectrum cameras. And again, this is part of a bigger cluster of servers that we have. So this is going to be a great addition because the older one that was there just recently died, so this is going to be a great replacement. Alright, well, thank you for watching. If you have any questions about DW, Spectrum, or any other type of security camera, please let us know. My name is Caesar from Wirestream. Give me a thumbs up and keep watching on the channel. Thank you. Alright, just now that I completed everything, I'm here on site. You will see that I got the server right there on the corner. And we put the server right there for now. And this is all going to get cleaned out so we can find a better place for the server. So, in the meantime, we got everything connected. And it's ready to go. When you first start, you're going to see, that it'll try to update. You'll see the list of the cameras here, but we have a backup that we're going to import. So that way we don't have to name all the cameras and set up the email and everything else, the DW Cloud that's associated with that. Alright, we'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.